Hello, I'm back with another video. All right, I'm going to try something new. Two things that I got. One is a foundation color changing and adjusting foundation, all day flawless, lit from within, complexion perfectly flawless finish with SPF 15. I saw this on Instagram and I was like, what intrigued me was, this woman's putting this foundation on and, she's a white woman and it changes to a color. And I'm like, okay. But I was like, show me a sister. And they did. And, she's talking. I didn't finish watching the video because immediately I went click and I bought it. So I'm going to see what this does. And I'm going to use what I normally use for putting on my foundation, which would be, my Farsali Skin Tune Blur. And I'm going to start that off. I'm going to put that everywhere. And the other thing I'm going to review is a beauty blender, which is by Juno&Co. And this I saw on Instagram as well. And this is a microfiber fusion sponge. And let's see. It says do's and don'ts. I didn't read that. So I already wet one. So I'll show you what it looks like. All right. This is one that is not wet. And this is one that is wet. Pretty much the same, just a little bit different size. Wet, dry. So basically this is it feels like velvet. So let's see. Let me read on the back of the thing. It says it is a seamless results every time. Achieve the ultimate in foundation coverage with this makeup brush plus blender fusion sponge. Save 50% more makeup product and spend 50% less time applying with our innovative design, perfect for blending in all formulas. All right, and let's see what it said, the do's and don'ts. I should have read that first. Okay, let's see. While cleaning, Juno, do run your sponge under warm water to loosen trapped product. Create a lather using a gentle soap. Squeeze until all product is out and water runs clean. If you have a beauty blender sponge, you know to do that. Don't vigorously rub or scrub product off sponge. Don't use any textured brush cleaning contraptions. It will tear. So don't use, I have a brush cleaner. It has like bumpy ridges and stuff to help get the brush clean. Don't use that. So just use your hand. Do not submerge in the spongy water. So don't just be going off and leaving it and shit. All right. It says use it dry to apply loose powders, blush, and highlighters. All right. And use it wet. You use it wet like you do with your foundation, concealers, and contouring. So, all right, we're gonna get going here. So I'm gonna use my hand, the back of my hand. Maybe I shouldn't. Okay, I'm gonna shake it up because as you can see, this product, it's color changing. It's supposed to be, but it's very white, very white. All right, it says, these are the things that I read off of it. It's like perfect for the perfect skin. It says the unique color matching formula protects and moisturizes the skin as it works to even out complexion, making sure your skin looks perfect all day without worrying about your looks or the unblended line near the jawline. So basically, you know how, some people, they don't, and I'm one of them sometimes, in a rush, you just go just to here and you don't blend down. Well, yeah, this was saying, look, it don't matter. You ain't gotta blend down because you ain't gonna tell. Then it says secret beauty formula. The exclusive formula contains shade sensing beads, which are activated by pressure upon application. So I'm guessing you got to apply some pressure. All right, these beads are encapsulated pigments that deliver perfect shade transformation upon blending into skin. As the makeup is thoroughly blended into skin, it intuitively transforms to your skin tone for all-day natural-looking color in your perfect shade. And then it talks about the sunscreen. So this color-changing foundation contains SPF 15 to shield your skin from harmful UVA, UVB rays. It's designed for daily use and will give your skin that illuminating, silky finish. So I'm gonna shake it up a little bit. And I'm just gonna apply this. Maybe I should fuck up because I didn't even put in none of the stuff that I normally do before I put on foundation, except for that skin blur. But anyways, all right, I'm gonna put this straight on my skin. So I'm gonna do a little half pump. What? Oh, okay. I'm gonna put some on that side here. All right, so I'm going to rub it in. I think I need some more. All right, it's still looking white. Okay, all right. It definitely still is looking a little whitish. Oh my goodness. I mean, this would have worked when I did my Halloween makeup and I was a nun. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. All right, you can change now. In a minute now. You can change in a minute. Like today. Today. Oh my goodness. What the freak? All right, I'm gonna take that that damp sponge and I'm gonna dab it. Maybe I shouldn't. Oh shit! Oh, what the hell? Okay, I don't know if I can zoom this in. Let me get closer. Can you see that? I mean, it's giving me all kinds of cakey, chalky. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so far I do not like it. All right, I'm gonna try to use the sponge on this side. Maybe that's what I should have started out with. I mean, I look like I'm getting ready to do, oh my god. Oh my. Now, okay. You know what? It says vigorously. Okay, all right. I don't even, no. I can't. Oh my goodness. What? Oh Lord. Maybe I shouldn't use a primer, but I'm doing it exactly how I would normally. Oh my God. Got that shit in my eye. I mean, it's not, oh my Lord. It's not even, can you see my jawline? I mean, am I supposed to wait for the magic to happen? What am I doing? What am I waiting on? I mean, I can't wait all day for my makeup to finally decide he want to be brown. Oh my goodness. Now see, that's what I get for not watching the whole video. But even if I mean, all I needed to see was the black girl. Because I'm like, look, I need to see a woman of color with this foundation on. Oh my God. Oh no. I can't. I mean, can you see the line? From here to here? From here to here? I'm getting ready to waste a whole face. All right, I'm gonna finish it because I'm gonna see. Ain't that some shit? My concealer is more my skin tone than this foundation. And my concealer, I mean, look at my mouth. Look at my mouth. I mean, I like this blending beauty blender. I look a whole hot damn mess. Powder just the under eye because I don't want nothing to ruin the transformation of this foundation, if it ever transforms into the correct shade. Oh my Lord. I can't. Anyways, this would have been how I looked back in the early 90s, early to mid 90s, because your girl ain't have nobody to show her the ropes. I can't with this makeup. Okay, I'm gonna try. Can y'all see? I mean, look at this. I mean, I'm looking in my mirror and it's separating right here. It looks like I have a lot of dry skin. I mean, and it looks white. White. Real white. I mean, look at my forehead. My skin is not that dry. I'm sorry. It is not. I mean, I can't go nowhere like this. I'm gonna finish it. But, oh my God. Okay. This shit look a hot damn mess. I mean, I look like it's the winter storm hit my face and I'm ashy. Even though I'm moisturized. Oh my Lord. I mean, this is why I couldn't wear that matchmaking foundation by MAC, because this is the way it looked. Well, it didn't look this white. It was golden, but you can see all of this going on here. All of this. This is exactly how it looked. So it had those same type of beads, I'm assuming, because the same thing is happening. All right, okay. What I'm gonna do is I don't even know shit. It can't get no worse, can it? How this match this? How this match this? This and this? No. I can't. Don't lie to these people. I'm gonna find out when I'm gonna look it up, and I'm gonna put it in description somewhere. I'm gonna put it somewhere. I might even find a picture of the girl. Because the girl, she was maybe my complexion, maybe, I don't even think she was too much darker than me. And now, had they got somebody like Alec Weck on there, or someone like Lupita Nyong'o on there, that was very dark skinned, beautiful, rich color, and put this foundation on, and it looked like skin, I would so definitely, I would have bought more than one. But because they showed that one black girl, and I looked at that thing, and within seconds, I was like, I'm buying it. Because she sat there and she was rubbing it in like I was doing, and she goes, she was surprised. I was surprised. I was surprised that my stupid ass bought this shit. Now I'm mad. I'm mad because it was not worth. Regular price is like $50. And right now they got a 50% off sale. If you want to try this, you go to, I can't think of the name, but I will put it down below. If you want to try, if you don't think this review was good enough, I mean, come on, look. If this is not good enough and you really want to try this, I will put it all here and I will show it to you. You can do whatever you want with it. Do as you will, but I will not buy this, purchase anything like that again. I have been burnt twice, once with MAC and once with this. Because the first time, see, I should have known, that girl was like, oh, you look like this. And I'm like, no, you can't go by look, baby doll. You need to put it on me. She didn't put it on me. I took it home. I did take it back twice. Still couldn't get my color right. Now, look. It looked like no. This is going to be a no. No. But for the Beauty Blender, yes, I do like that. I like that. So with that being said, I'm going to leave y'all on that note. I mean, y'all probably laughing your asses off at me because you probably was like, Sparky, you should have known better. And I should have, you know. All right. Okay. I'll see you in a later video. Bye.